Hey guys, how's everything going? This is Jaser. This video is another episode of my video series on React source code walkthrough. In this video, we're going to take a look at this built-in hook from React, which is useImperativeHandle. I believe that is not that familiar with you. It's not familiar to me. I have only used this like recently in my production work. It's very useful, but it's not that complicated. So let's figure it out how it works internally. Okay, so this is a basic example which is listed on the React homepage. We have this input, which is wrapped in a custom functional component, and when we click this fill button, we'd like to this text be filled with JSON with some text. So how would you achieve it? Let's open our code. Okay, so the app is very simple. We have the input ref. This input ref should be placed on the ref property of this my input. And when the button is clicked, we just check if it is current. The ref is set. If it is, we fill it. And this custom functional component, we use for ref to retrieve the ref property. And this my ref is the real ref holding on to the DOM element. And this fill is do the same. So our work here is basically somehow connect this my input ref to this real ref. So how would we do it? Well, the basic idea is very simple because we use ref. We have this current property. We could just set this ref.current equals to the field, right? So it should work. Is it? Let's take a look. Feel it? Yeah, it works. So that's simple. So that's the end for our video. It's joking. So there's a problem of this one is that we only set it up without cleaning it, right? If we remember in our last video about use layout effect, we've already see how React handle this ref property. No matter what the ref is, if it is a function ref or a ref object, when this DOM element is mounted, when it checks something about this property is changed, it will clean up the previous ref and set up the new ref. So we only set it up the ref. As the component itself, it doesn't know whether the ref changes or not, right? If it is changes, it will set this to the new ref, but for the previous ref, it doesn't clean up. So to show this problem, we create another ref, say my another ref, and we create a flag called use another ref set use another ref equals react use state false, and we create a toggle ref. So we just create two ref and toggle them. We create a button. On click equals toggle ref. That's it. And when we set the ref, if we use another ref, we just say use my another ref. If not, we use my input ref, right? And for this field, we say we check this use another ref. Maybe I should. Oh, it's in a function, so it doesn't matter. I can use another ref here. If use another ref, and here we would use my another input ref. Great, so it should work. Let's take a look. Fill, work. Toggle ref, work again. And to debug it, let's access the input ref from the console. Now, for this, when we the first mounted, we would expect that the like say my input ref current the field. Yeah, you see, using ImperativeHandle run callback, it fills, right? But if you use another ref, it should not work because yeah, it's not set the ref. Okay, now we toggle the ref. We toggle the ref, and it should be working. And for the input ref, here's the problem. You see, it's run again. So yeah, let's toggle it and just call it MountImperativeHandle. It works. So here's the problem. We just set it up without cleaning up. This is like a possible like memory leak or something. Just some unexpected behavior. You change something from the child component view. You change something from thing you get past, right? The ref, but you didn't clean it up, right? So this is not, it's not idempotent, I would say. It's not, you change something and you didn't clean up. It's not good. So to clean it up, you might think, okay, we could use the effect, right? These passive effects allow us to clean up. So we just listen to the changes of this ref, and we set the ref current to fill, and then we set a cleanup function, set current equals to now. So it looks good. Let's take a look. So now let's just feed it work, toggle, feed it. It doesn't work. Interesting. I don't know why it doesn't work. Okay, let's toggle the ref, and let's see the MountImperativeHandle field. It says cannot read properties of now reading field. So ImperativeHandle is set to now. Yeah, of course. It's not now. It's not now because when we toggle it, this cleanup will be run, right? Let's log it. Say cleanup ref. Obviously. Cool. Toggle it. Yeah, cleanup ref. And it should be set up. It's not set? Does it set? Okay, let's log it again. Set it up, clean up, and set it up. Yeah. And then we call it myRef field. Yeah, it works. Awesome. But when you could feel that why it does not work? I'm sorry. I need to add this to the dependency. Because I'm debugging in the dev build, there's no such thing as pretty or something. Okay. Interesting. Still not working. Sorry. It should be here. I should move it up. Great. So it works, and it works perfect, right? You can see that the cleanup is already run. This is running, and this is not running. You see that log here? Cool. So this is it. And you might think, well, I can do something like this. And actually, yeah, the useImperativeHandle just does something like this, is use effect, but as with a slight difference. The first thing is that, okay, let's just jump straight to the useImperativeHandle. Okay, let's just, if we use ImperativeHandle, we could write something like this. And it will clean up for us. Let's see here. Fill, yeah. Fill, work. Toggle ref, fill, work. And fill. Look at toggle fill, and then let's see. Another input field. Yeah. Toggle field. Okay, wait a minute. Toggle field. Then. There's something wrong here. It should not be. Oh, I need to add it to dependency. No, right? I need to add it to dependency. Or toggle it. Why? Why? This is something we need to figure it out, right? But from the behavior, it works, no matter I target it or not. Cool. Now let's debug it as we do always. Actually, here is the useImperativeHandle, and you can see useImperativeHandle, and then is something MountImperativeHandle. Let's go to it. Yeah, here is MountImperativeHandle. We can see the effect depths is the depths. Because the depths actually, if not now, it will add the ref. If then, it is set to now, right? The ref will be default added to the depths, but you say if it is yeah. Otherwise, it will be now, and then it will mount the effect. Looking for meteor, update layout. This is ImperativeHandle effect. The mount effect input implementation is something you can see here. This is the same thing as the use effect. Let's go to see use effect. Where is it? You can see if we use the effect, it's mount effect, right? It's the same. Oh, not mount effect. Where is it? Mount effect. Ooh, the debug is not good. Let's debug it. Where are we? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Let's do it a little slower. Okay, we go to the MountImperativeHandle, and then we have the depths, and then we go to the mount effect. We go to it. It's just the same as what we do as the mount effect. If we go to how can I get the use effect here? Yeah, mount effect. If you go to mount effect, you can see it's still mount effect. It's the same function. So this means that useImperativeHandle and the use effect are basically the same, except that you can see mount effect is said mount effect, it will call this with update and passive, while what we're doing here is actually, okay, wait a minute, use layout. So this is the same as use layout effect. Actually, the timing is layout effect. Okay, let's see what's in its ImperativeHandle effect. ImperativeHandle effect, it says if the ref is function, we create it, run the creator function, which is the second parameter is not an object, it's a function. So we create a function, run it, and we run the instance with the ref because the ref is function. And you can see it returns a cleanup function, which is called it with now. If you take a look at this, if you say, okay, we set it to our current and set current to now. So it's basically the same as what we do, except it adds the check of function ref, right? So going to our problem, why is still callable? If we should do the same, we toggle the ref, and it should be gone, right? But still working. So this should go to, let's see how the update ImperativeHandle is working here. When it is changing, it will go to the update effect in layout ImperativeHandle. It's the same. The depths, effect depths, and if this is the depths. Let's reload it. First disable it, and then we toggle the ref. So this is update. Update the same. Update effect, and with the depths, let's see what's in the depths. The depths is to proxy, which is this one, which is the first rep and the second ref. What's in our array? Oh, I added a ref, so I should not add it. Anyway, let's do it again. Toggle it. So update, we go to update. So the current hook, yeah, it's not now. And our hooks equal. Let's go to here. Next step, next depths is now. Because it's now. It's not equal. What's this? Our hooks input, if two are equal, we just push it. The destroy. The destroy would be previous destroy, right? I think, is there something wrong here? Destroy is undefined. Next is now. Interesting. So does this mean if we do something like this default, it doesn't get it cleaned up? If we just use an empty array here, let's see what's the difference. Okay, toggle it. Still there. Okay. Disable it. We toggle it. We update the effect. Current. Okay, previous to destroy is undefined. Huh. Why it's destroy is undefined? Interesting, huh? Is this bug? Okay, I'll go back to the MountImperativeHandle. Okay. Effect depths, imperative handle. So this is actually the destroy, right? This is also a destroy function. Let's see what's in this mount effect. Working memory state push effect. Create. Yeah. Push effects. Where is the destroy? Effect destroy. Undefined. When is push? Mount effect. Create. Undefined. This is the push effect. Push effects tag create destroy. This is MountImperativeHandle. Okay. This is a create mount effect create. Okay. Mount undefined. So when is create is run, effect is create. Oh, when this create is called, it will update this destroy. Why? Let's see what's the I'm a little confused, sorry. A use effect here, what it does? It just create. Let's see. Mount create. Yeah, it's only passive. What is this one? Mount. It's just a create. So it is no undefined. Oh. I'm a bit confused here. Yeah, let's open our debug here. There should be something called console log destroy. No. No. Destroy. Here, yeah. We got it. So let's use ImperativeHandle destroy. Yeah. Let's build it. Use effect. I'm a bit confused here. It's just mount it, but the fact it's not run. Oh yeah. It's not run yet. So the destroy would be called the create. Yeah, here it will only be updated with this create, right? Ah, I see. So its initial state is undefined. Yeah, let's see what happens here. So we up mount, push effect. Yeah. If we run twice, push effect. Destroy. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. So it will be updated here. Oh, why it's not there? Okay, the destroy. I think I found a bug. I think we forgot to return, right? I think we forgot to return. Yeah. Return. Yeah. I think, okay, not here. Here, I think we need to return it. Let's just, maybe my React version is not to the update. I think this is a bug. Okay, let's do it again. So we toggle it, run it. Yeah, it should be running now, but it should work. Toggle, field. Yeah, cool. So yeah, okay, we found a bug. I'm not sure whether this bug still exists or not. Ooh, that's tough. Cool. Let's go back to our code. One thing is that, yeah, as we mentioned, it's totally the same as use layout effect. And when it's run, it will be run in this commit hook effect list amount, which is in the commit lifecycles here. Yeah, during the commit phase, after the DOM is updated, before we run all the pass effects, we first will run all the layout effect, and this ImperativeHandle is part of the layout effect, so it will be run there. Yeah, when it is run, it will create the destroy function, and it will be processed using a queue or stack holding those internals. Cool. So this means that if we use a console log here, like init, and create another effect like here, console log effect, we do nothing. Even though the use effect is placed before this ImperativeHandle, this ImperativeHandle init will be still before the passive effect. So that's it. Hope it helps. And just to summarize, there are 2 things. One is ImperativeHandle. It's just basically literally it's just the sum effect. But second, it is treated as part of a layout effect, so it's sooner than the passive effect, and it removes those hassle we need to do our best of by handling this functional ref and also doing a cleanup. And also I put up a blog on my JavaScript.dev. So if you're interested, please subscribe my blog as well. Yeah, hope it helps. See you next time. Bye bye.